How's it going, guys? So today I'm making a video about the printer, just a quick one. So I have the fan behind it right now because it wasn't quite cooling down the back of the prints that it was doing, because the fan is, let's see if I can do this on the camera, right there. So the fan blows mostly toward the front, the one that's right here on it. And then, so it was still kind of melted from behind, so now I have this fan right here blowing from behind, and that makes the quality a lot better. And then, right now I'm actually printing some more bushings, some full-length bushings, to go under here. Right there, you can see, that's actually a pretty good picture. You can see right where's my finger? There it is. Right there, it goes right inside of there. Inside of that little, I don't even know what to call it, but that's what it's printing. And I've been really struggling with it. I also cut the carriage out of plywood that I had. It was actually the plywood from the trailer that we built to drive down here to Arizona from Utah. So I cut that and drilled holes in it, and that's what it's working on right now. So pretty awesome. And it's finally working again. I put several hours of work into it. Here's all my mess ups. Yeah, not all of them. That's not all the mess ups. That's just the ones that actually look like what they're supposed to look like. Guess here's another one. And then just my pile of trash. Got like a little more wrapper in there. So that's what's going on right now. I'm still working on trying to build the other homemade printer, but finally got this one working again. Anyway, thanks guys for watching the video. And make sure you hit the subscribe button for future videos about building the homemade one as well. And we will see you on the next one.